Welcome to Jumoke Academy, a charter school located in Hartford's North End.
We've been open for over 25 years. We have an elementary program that serves pre-K up until fourth grade, and we have two distinguished middle schools, one that focuses on the STEM programming and the other that focuses on the arts.
No matter which track scholars choose to pursue, they're still providing the same educational foundation.
We have advanced courses in math, and our 8th grade scholars take Algebra 1. And then next year we'll have a pre-algebra for our 7th grade scholars. In addition, our middle school scholars take a world language and Spanish 1.
For scholars interested in STEM, Jumoke Academy offers unique opportunities to build a career.
Jumoke Academy Smart was one of the first middle schools in Connecticut to be an Amazon Future Engineer Project STEM school.
We also have a partnership with Starbase, and in the past our scholars have gone to Lego competition. We have after-school programming that does Lego clubs, Lego League, that we prepare scholars with coding and robotics so that they can compete in those competitions.
And in the arts, education comes from the stage and the classroom.
Our other middle school, which are art schools, have a long-standing partnership with the Bushmill, where they'll come in and do workshops with our scholars, and then they'll perform. They take various field trips to the Bushmill. We are built on making sure that we have a village centered around our child and their learning. And so one big thing here for Jumoke is our JAPA, which is the Jumoke Parent Association. And that's all part of the village. The community is all part of the village, so our scholars are backed by the village.
All with a focus on developing the complete child.
Our community being a smaller community, that's one of the benefits, that we have all stakeholders involved. So our parents have a voice. Our scholars, especially here at my middle school, they have a voice. We survey them. We ask questions. What do you need? There's different events that happen so that we're always bringing parents in. We're currently even working on a community resource center that we'll have for families in the future where we'll be able to continue to connect.
For more information about Jumoke Academy, its programs, and how you can enroll, visit jumokeacademy.org.